She said the directions were really complicated and I had to YouTube for help. Then I couldn't get the voice activation to work. Overall, very frustrated. All Karen had to do was just turn this to the right to turn that on. From there, it's going to go ahead and record a voice activation. There you go. Now it lets you know it's on, and it's going to disappear. Boom. After that, you would just plug it to the computer with the cable it comes with, which is right here in the bag. So once you have it connected like that, you can plug it to your computer, and it's automatically going to pop up right here. And in the voice folder, you can see all the recordings that's been done that she said she couldn't work. And then you have the time set up. It's already on voice activation, it looks like, so I'm not sure what the issue was. Not only that, there's also a user guide it comes with telling you exactly how to put it into voice activation from the computer, which looks like she already did. So there's about 50 voice activation recordings. So I'm not sure where the complication was.